If you're starting a new home project and you're totally overwhelmed, then we can take you from the concept all the way through to the completed project. Canopy Design Studio aren't just a landscape design studio, but we take clients through the concept and design process all the way through the construction to a completed project. The design process, we're going to understand your outcomes, we're going to understand the aesthetic that you're after and put together a design that you should be delighted with. Once we've got the design, we move on to the project process. We're going to procure the right contractors for your project. We're going to find someone that fits your project. We're going to work back and forth with them to come to a contract agreement, making sure everything's included, making sure that they've understood what we need from the design and the level of detailing. Then we're going to be there on site as it's being built. We're going to be checking in at least once a week, making sure all the details are being met, making sure the contractor is delivering what they've promised, and making sure that you're being communicated with as the client. Once the construction's finished, we're going to make sure there's a handover. You're going to get all of the systems explained to you. You're going to get as-built documents, and we're going to make sure that any defects are followed up on with the contractors. And finally, the landscape is going to be there for 20 years, we hope. So we're going to connect you with the right gardener, and we're going to be there to check in on the maintenance of the garden and make sure that your garden's evolving how we intended in the design. So if a landscape project seems totally overwhelming, then we're here to help. We can take you from design all the way through to a completed project, and you can just trust us to deliver it as we promise at the start of the design process.